Hi friends, today it's an all-time favorite cake recipe, ghee cake recipe. It's so easy to make and absolutely delicious. Everyone will like it. So let us make this ghee cake. For that here I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, and into this we'll add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix it well and sift it 2 to 3 times and keep it aside. Now in a bowl we'll take 3/4 cup or 120 grams of ghee. Here I have used homemade ghee. When you take ghee, it should be thick, not oil like. And into this we'll add sugar. Here I have taken 1 cup sugar and powdered it. A pinch of salt, and we'll beat it till it's nice and fluffy. First just mix the ghee and sugar slightly, and then we'll beat it. Now the ghee and sugar has creamed well and it's turned light and fluffy. Now into this we'll add 2 eggs, one at a time. Beat the eggs on high speed so that it doesn't curdle. Even if it curdles, you can add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour and beat it. Now into this we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and the second egg. Beat it well. Now we'll scrape down the sides and beat it once again. Into this we'll add the dry ingredients. Add the flour in 3 batches. We'll start with the flour, alternating with milk. Fold in the flour gently using cut and fold method. In this recipe I've taken half cup of milk. Now after folding in the flour gently, we'll add half of the milk. Fold it in. We'll add the second batch of flour. And then the rest of the milk. Fold it in, and then finally we'll add the remaining flour. Fold in the flour, and our cake batter is ready. Now we'll transfer this into a prepared tin. Here I have taken a 7-inch cake tin lined with parchment paper, and the sides I have greased and dusted with flour. Now we'll spread the batter like this to the sides and then tap it to release air bubbles if any. And then we'll bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes. The time taken might vary depending on the oven. Now our cake is beautifully baked. We'll allow it to cool down for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll demold the cake from the cake tin. It's nicely baked, light brown in color. Now we'll slice the cake. Hope you liked the video. Do try the recipe and let me know how it turns out. If you would like to see me come with any specific recipe, please do put it in the comment box. Your suggestions are very much welcome. Thank you for watching. See you with yet another amazing video. Bye.